Today I will be working with the company MyShinyWigs. They sent me over a T-part unit, and yeah, I will be installing it and giving my honest review about it. I like their packaging, it's cute and it's bright. You can see that, it just pops, it's really bright. Wig will come in plastic band that's removable, and you can adjust it. 2 different complexions of wig caps, which is nice. An edge brush, some tweezers, those stickers, yeah. So now on to the wig. This is the wig. It's like it has highlights in it. I believe it's an 18-inch and it is a T-part, meaning that there is lace from ear to ear and there's lace in the middle for a T-part. Yeah, this is the inside construction of it. There's a comb on top, there's combs on the side. This is where you would put the adjustable, not the adjustable, the elastic band, and it also comes with adjustable straps and a comb in the back. I bleached the knots. This is what happened.
What is that?
Like, I don't even know what to say, but like, it's like weird. It's like, so this part's bleached, this part didn't, and it just came up with these stripes, which is, so of course I contact the company. I'm doing the video for the wig and I bleached the knots, and this is what happened. Yeah, the wig did not come this way. The knots were really big in my opinion, which is why I wanted to, you know, bleach it, because that's the whole point of bleaching knots, is to, you know, make the knots look a little less big and more invisible. I'm just giving y'all a warning, don't bleach the knots. Even though they look a little big, do not bleach the knots, I'm telling you, because you will have this issue. And I told them, they said that, you know, that's their fault for not really specifying that I'm not supposed to bleach the knots, because apparently, you know, their wigs are made so that way you don't have to bleach the knots. But like I said, the knots are visible, so I wanted to bleach the knots. So now I'm just, you know, pressing out the hair, getting it as flat as I can get it, and pulling out some baby hairs. The next couple clips, I think you'll see me, you know, cut some layers in the hair, because at first I was planning on keeping it curled, but I decided to straighten it. So yeah, I'm basically gonna show you how it looks when it's curled and how it looks when it's straightened. Like, this hair is so bomb. Like, the way that it held its curl and the fact that it could go bone straight, like literally right after I curled it, is bomb. So it comes in straight and royal wave as a texture. When I first got the hair, it was bone straight, so I'm guessing I got the straight texture, and the fact that you can curl it is really bomb. It's giving me like a body wave kind of feel, because you could be versatile with that too. And the cap size is really small, like on me. I should have asked, like I always forget to ask them, do they have, you know, larger cap sizes, but it was really small. Like, I can't even put it fully on my head. It fits like a closure wig. So yeah, they do have the option where you can ask for a small, medium, or large cap size on their website. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I'm just going to put it out there. The length is 18 inches. The color is a 1B/6. I'm guessing the 6 is for the, you know, blonde highlights. And the density is 180. And for the lace wise, it's a 13 by 5.5, meaning that, you know, it's ear to ear, and that's like a middle part, but it's like a, you know, like a wider kind of part. So you could put it in like a zigzag parting if you wanted to. I actually forgot to do that, but yeah, you can, you know, be a little versatile with the parting, like, you know, do a little zigzag part. As you can see, the lace is literally melted into my skin. I didn't even use any glue. I just, you know, put it on top. It's literally glueless. Like I said, it fits like a closure wig. And yeah, I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I put that on my lace to tint it, as well on my part to, you know, cover up the little problem that we had earlier. And yeah, now I'm just straightening the hair because I decided last minute that I wanted to wear it straight, and I wanted to try and give myself some layers. I've never cut layers before, so I was like nervous, and I was only cutting off little by little. And after I would cut off a little piece, I would take my flat iron and just straighten it to see, you know, if I wanted to stop or not, because I didn't want to take too much off, because, you know, when you take too much off, you can't get it back. But yeah, I will show you how the hair looks in natural lighting as well. And if you are interested in this hair, I will leave all the links down below, and along with the hair company's information. And don't forget to use my discount code T25 for 25% off. I hope that this video was, you know, helpful in any kind of way. And if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, girl. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.
My child, you a fool, boy.